everybody, Ed Banks, Mill City Mentors, going to make a video for you today, and we're going to make a basic chocolate chip cookie sundae, or chocolate chip cookie sandwich, or however you want to make it. So we only have a few ingredients here. I wanted to make this video for some of the younger kids in our company, so we decided to do some pre-made cookie dough. So what we're going to do is read the instructions first. So heat non-stick pan 350. Okay, pan is heating up. So it says to put your cookies about 2 inches apart on the cookie sheet on an ungreased pan. So you don't want to grease it. You don't need to put any butter or spray. It's just ungreased pan. And once these go in the oven, they will bake for about 10 to 14 minutes, and then they need to cool. So when you bake them, it says 10 to 14 minutes. Typically what you want to do is bake it for that 10 minute, set a timer, because you can always come back to and have it go a little bit longer if it needs to bake. You don't want them to burn, but you don't want them to come out so they are not done. So I'm just going to put some in here, put some on the pan, and once the oven is preheated, we can put our cookies in to bake. So I'm going to do, let's see, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 15 cookies right here on the pan for now. Right, just like that. So with the younger kids, these are easy. Just have to put them on there. And once that goes, we can I'm going to put the rest of these in the fridge. You don't want them to go bad. You can definitely make them at another time. Choice of ice cream. I have Colonial chocolate almonds. Perfect to go with inside a cookie. You need your ice cream scooper. If you don't have one, just use a regular spoon. So I have both. And then if you want to use any toppings, I have some M&M peanuts, which I can put on. There's chocolate sprinkles. Fred's favorite are the M&Ms. He's joining us today. And then if you want, we have some chocolate syrup. And we can also use some whipped cream. So while this is preheating, I'm going to stop the video, and once the cookies come out, or once it heats up, I'll be able to show you again. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. So our oven is just about at that preheated temperature of 350. So once that dings, we will put our cookies, chocolate chip cookies, nice and easy. Like I said, use the ones that are frozen, ones you can get from the store. If you want to make your own cookies, obviously you can do that. Today, just for the video though, using these store-bought. They taste just as good, and they're easy. So for this quick video of making our sundae, ice cream sundae with cookies, this is the best option we have. So just wait for that to preheat. Alright, so oven just dinged for preheat 350. Our cookies going into our oven. Get in there. I know I like cookies. They already smell good. So set our timer. I'm going to say 10 minutes. And at 10-minute time, once that goes off, you want to check them. You don't want them to be overcooked so they look burnt, but you don't want them to be undercooked. So they should just be a medium brown, right on top. And you get a good spatula. Once they come out, they should be able to slide right off it, without any problems. So once those are done in 10 minutes, I will be back and we can put our sundae together with some ice cream, cookies, M&Ms, sprinkles, chocolate syrup, and I have some cherries. So I will be back in a couple minutes. Alright, so cookies, 10 minutes is up. Let's see how they look. They still need a little bit more time, so I'm going to set my timer for a couple more minutes. We'll do about 3 minutes or so. As I was doing that, got a bowl, cooling rack that I'm going to put the cookies on once they are finished. And Fred decided that he didn't want to wait, so he's eating his own cookies. Fred, can't wait. So, see you in a couple minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so cookies are still cooking, baking, they're baking. I went ahead and got my ice cream out. You want it to soften a little bit, because it's easier to scoop. Got my whipped cream and some cherries. Oh, it smells so good in here. I cannot wait for the cookies to be done. Neither can Fred, but Fred's already eaten his cookies, so he's not getting any more. Okay, so we have M&Ms, Nesquik, sprinkles, and that's it. So we'll just wait. So that's about another minute or so. We'll check, and hopefully in that minute the cookies will be finished. Alright, the countdown is on. 10 seconds to go, and we will see what our cookies look like. Make sure you get some pot holders or something to put on your hands because it's going to be hot. Okay, let's see what we see. Alright. There you go, look at those. They look pretty perfect. So what I'm going to do is put them on the oven. I just want them to cool for a minute or so. And then I will transfer them onto our cooling rack. As I'm doing that, you want to get a good spatula. Something that can get under the cookies to then put them on without breaking the cookie, because that would be the last thing you would like to do. So let's let those cool for a minute. Once they're cool, we will put it all together and show you how to make a sundae. Okay, cookies are cool enough that I'm going to take them off and put them on the cooling rack. Still, you want to wear a pot holder because the pan is still very, very hot and you don't want to burn yourself. These smell and look amazing. I hope they taste as amazing as they look. I want to thank you all for watching some of my videos on YouTube, on the website. Hopefully you've learned something. Maybe you were able to make something with your family. That's really what we're trying to do here, is offer some activities for you and the kids, your family, to do at home while we all are waiting to get back to normal, really. Okay, so First step you want to do, open your ice cream. So, like I said, I have some chocolate almond. Alright, here we go. So what I like to do is make an ice cream sandwich. So I'm going to take, you want to use 2 cookies, so get your scoop first. And it takes 2 cookies. So scoop of ice cream and 1 cookie. There is an ice cream sandwich that is going to be delicious. So put that in your bowl. Now, the fun part. You can decorate it however you want. So you can put in some M&Ms, which I'm going to do. You can use some chocolate syrup. Put that right in there. Perfect. How about some, like I said, you can use anything, whatever you like is up to you. We'll put in some sprinkles. Now, put a cherry on top. If you have a spoon that's small enough, which cherries on top. Oh, I know what I forgot. I forgot my whipped cream. Put that all around. And there, my friends, a perfect ice cream sandwich sundae. Chocolate ice cream, whipped cream, cherries, chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you can make something like this at home. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.